I want to be Uganda's best artist.
Ricky Miles.
Abagamba weno muyimbi atuyamba buyambi okubeera mu Uganda. Hey, my name is Luke's Hero. Welcome to CBM Music. My music journey started from let me say over my village place where I grew from, where I studied from. So I used to do music in school. I used to be in school choirs. I used to record songs for schools. I went to studio when I was still in P5, primary 5 at Kawes Memorial Standard Primary School. So that's when I started going to studio. Then when I joined secondary, I went to Bupas International. We recorded the school anthem. Actually, I was the only one in school yali asobola okuyimba tena. Musomero ddamba nga nze nzeka asobola okuyimba tena. So then I joined A-level. A-level music wasn't there, but they called me. One day the administrator called me and was like, they told me, you're one of the talented guys we have in school, so we have Women's Day. You're supposed to compose a song for us and sing about the good things that women do, their impact on society. So that's when I realized that I was very talented and I composed the song. I got a lot of money on that day. That's when I finished high school. Then around COVID, I've jumped somewhere. Around COVID, I went to studio and recorded 2 songs. One was Contented and Komao. The Komao song was a hit. Actually, I had a hit song in secondary. My hobbies and doggies can testify. I had a hit song in secondary called Komao. Baby wandeke waka wandeka kumeza. It was a hit because of the name Luke's Hero. That is why I sing my intro. I sing Luke's Hero. So guys at school used to vibe to it. Then that's when I came to vacation. I started being serious with my music. I used to visit different producers like One Blessing, Alpha on the Beat. They made different songs for me. Up to now, then I made Gendi, made a lot of songs for me. Yeah, up to here right now at CBM Music. Actually, I think I always ask people that who inspired you to join music, but I think I inspired myself at a certain extent because I used to sing since childhood. I can tell you that I wrote my first song when I was 3 years. And everyone will be amazed, but I wrote my first song when I was 3 years. But it was very funny actually. I was in church and I sang to the audience and everyone was amazed and was like, eh. But the song was not related to gospel. That's why I think it's the reason as to why I'm not singing gospel right now. But there are some artists who inspired me. For example, Fireboy. Then vocally it was Mozo Radio who inspired me. That's why I like singing high tones. Yeah. Okay, on my musical style or my sound, actually I sing more of R&B style. Like I'm a vocalist, so I feel like I bring out my feeling, I bring out my vocal ability when I sing that kind of music that is R&B, that is slow, or R&B that goes a little bit faster. But I'm more of R&B. You will not see me into dancehall style. I like singing R&B. Then I can also, the first song that I composed was reggae music. I know how to write reggae music. Actually, I feel like I bring life to my music when I sing slow music. So I enjoy singing R&B music. My message, actually, I like singing music that has impact on society. For example, I have a song called Mama Ononsonywa. In that song, I try to bring out a message that my mother wanted me to be a doctor or wanted me to be a lawyer. Then I decided to be a musician. So I bring out that message that mommy, please forgive me. I know you wanted me to be this and this, but according to what I feel like I could do music more than what you wanted me to do. Then my other message is all about heartbreak. Like, for example, I have a song called Nachu Say, and the story behind it, many people love the story because I told them a certain story of a girl who was called Pavin. Yeah, so she was my ex, but when I made that song, the message was relating to that girl so much. Like, she used to do a lot of things that, you know, have you ever been in a relationship whereby you're the second boyfriend and you're contented with it? And actually, my musical story is based on what can I say? Ngandi munaku mpandika nyonga experiences ezo ngandi munaku. For example, I have a song called Nafuna, but when you follow the story very well, it's about a certain incident whereby I had someone that left me. Then after some time, I got someone who loves me. But again, the story is relating to the same girl called Pavin. So that's how I write different kind of music. After being inspired by something, for example, I can be moving around and see a woman carrying a baby, and the woman is carrying a baby, then she has a workplace, but the working condition is not good. So I always write music after being inspired by something. For example, Nafuna, I was inspired by my real story that I actually right now I think I was inspired because of having passed through something. That's why that's how I create my music. I can be there and then I think of something that my ex did and I start writing lyrics related to it. Yeah, that's how I do my music. Then after writing something, I only write one verse and the chorus, because when you reach in studio, sometimes chants the producers that give us, they change. So after writing, I go to studio, we create the vibe, we create the beat, then I record until when the song is done. In Uganda, I cannot talk about music and I don't talk about Jose Chameleon. I feel like that guy is wow. And then in the second position, I feel like I cannot forget Bebe Cool. I know people may say that I'm segregative, but I feel like I have worked and they inspire us a lot, basing on what they have made, what they have achieved through their music. I feel like if I could also achieve what they have achieved through music, it would be very good for me, like having a life out of music. And number 3, there are some young artists that need their flowers and they are performing very well. For example, Virota here in Uganda, I feel like is a very good artist. So in East Africa, we have, of course, Diamond Platinum. Yeah, we have Zuchu. Then in Africa, actually music in Africa is based, I think, many artists are from Nigeria. We have Fireboy, we have Omale, we have Burna Boy, yeah. Then globally we have JB, of course, I cannot forget him. JB, many people like referring to Celine Dion. They usually say, when they are talking about artists here, ladies, they say she doesn't know how to sing. Then she comes out and say, so you want me to sing like Celine Dion? But I think many artists here have learned a lot from that lady vocally, because she has some good tone, like she has some good tone, like you can pick something, you can pick something from her vocals. Yep. Yeah, actually abampuliriza, my music has a lot of impact on them. There are some, there are songs we sing, and then someone calls you and is like, man, look, this song called Nafuna, it's as if you are singing about me. When I relate the story, it's as if you are singing about me. This song called Nachuse, it's as if you are singing about me. I have another song called Yagaliza, whereby I wrote the lyrics basing on the way people behave in society. Then someone came to me and was like, let me give you something, because man, this song, it's as if you are singing about me. You are explaining my real life. Yeah, actually my music has a lot of impact on my fans, and to the extent that there is a way they see me, and there is a way they take good care of me, because they love it or enjoy what I do for them. Yep. I connect with my fans. Actually, I'm one of the musicians who I think I don't show off. I think maybe they have their own opinions, but me, I think I don't show off. I talk to them. Then I think when this year was big, when we were beginning this year, I organized a listeners party for my fans. So they came, we enjoyed together. Like we got to know each other. We actually have a WhatsApp group, here, whereby we connect with each other. Then even in I think next month, July 19th and 20th, I organized a trip for them. We have a trip. We are going with them. We are going to have fun. I feel like I should always be in touch with them, because being here, they have a very huge impact by what they do for me. They do challenges on TikTok. They promote my music. There are some fans even who pay people to play my music when I don't know. Actually, I have a good number of fans. Actually, some of my fans are even my friends. Like, we connect in a day-to-day life. They know about my life. They know that Hero Yalide or Atanalia Bamanyi, like Hero is sick. So I think I have a big connection with them. With me being a musician, when you ask how I stay connected with the community, I can just say maybe by giving us chance to perform. When we perform to them, like we then there are some charity events that we get involved into. There are friends that organize charities, then we join them as a team, and I think that has a great impact on community. Of course, it means a lot to me. It can mean a lot to me, and I know one day it will happen, because seeing yourself, I would say suffering, but it's not suffering. Okay, seeing yourself hustling to be somewhere, then a day comes and you find yourself on international billboards, then you find your song topping charts on Apple Music. It feels very good, and besides feeling very good, it has a lot of opportunities. It gives you a nice platform, and people can be surprised to see that you've hustled and you're somewhere. I think it can be a great milestone to my musical career. Actually, I have a song. I have a remix with a South Sudan artist. He's called Jugs the Bad Boy. The song is still in archive, but I think it will be out. Actually, it's very good to connect with those people from other countries. Yeah, but it depends on the budget. Sometimes the budget is always high. But I think with time, I will get in touch with them and we work. But I have some songs with a few artists from other countries. me, I feel like success cannot be measured, in my own opinion, because even if many people have streams, but their life is not good. I feel like we should measure success according to what we have. Financially, like I think in out of my music, I've managed to build a house. I've managed to to take care of my family. I've managed to have a living out of music. So I think I manage success. Streams can also determine that, but I feel like when you have streams and also have money, I think there I can measure success, like not getting streams, but when you don't have money. I feel like everything related to success should involve money. Actually, being successful in music, it depends on how people see what you do. Like, there are some artists here that have been in competition. I've competed in the music industry for a long time. For example, Jose Chameleone, he has been here in the music industry for more than 20 years, and I feel like you can measure success according to charts, and depending on the time you've spent in this music industry. That there are some musicians that come and go, like after some giving us like 2 or 3 hits, then you don't see them anywhere. I feel like you're supposed to just stay firm. You just, like, year to year you have hit songs. Every year you have a hit song. Every year you have a hit song. I feel like then there I can say at least I'm topping charts every year. I feel like it's better. I think measuring success is actually something more personal, because there are some people who are successful but they don't come out in camera and show that I have this, I have this, I have this. There are some people that take it more personal. They keep getting rich, but the world doesn't know. So I think that's it. Actually, my vision in future, right now I'm still focusing on creating good music right now, but in future I actually want to have shows in other countries. I want to travel the world. I want to actually, me in my music, even if it means going international, I always want to mix our mother language, Luganda, like okuba obeera nga atambuza eyo culture to another world or to another country. So I feel like me in the coming years, actually just that me, I don't want to overstay in music. I feel like after some years, I feel like I should also having something like a record label. I sign artists. I think I want to stop singing at the age of 40. So that's my vision. I feel like I should, by the age of 40, nga nina bye nali nduubirira okufuna, emba byonna mbifunye bye nali njagala ku myaka nga 45 okujjako nga kisusseemu. I feel like I want to stop there, then I start building other talents. Actually, these days I always want to be on a winning team. So in the next 3 to 5 years, I think I want to be Uganda's best artist. In the next 3 to 5 years, I want to be Uganda's best artist. I want Ugandans to say that ono muyimbi gwe tulina looks hero. Yeah. Iyo muyimbi owakabi gwe twakabeera naye balina engeri gye balifalinga that thing. Nange mpulira njagala mbeere kweyo level nga bagamba ono muyimbi atuyamba buyambi okubeera mu Uganda.